Now the next properties of vector addition geometrically. Geometrically, how can we represent properties of vector addition? That is commutative law or associative law. The first property is that is P1 for any two vectors, vector x and vector y, vector x plus y is equal to vector y plus vector x, that is commutative property. Now let AB is represented by vector x and AD is represented by vector y, such that this is AB and this is AD. Then complete the parallelogram. ABCD. And join AC. So we will get BC is equal to vector y and DC is equal to vector x in the same direction as vector AB and AD. So by applying triangle law to triangle ABC, we will get AB plus BC is equal to AC, that is vector x plus vector y. This is number 1. And in triangle ADC, AD plus DC is equal to AC, which is equal to vector y plus vector x is equal to AC. So from 1 and 2, AC is equal to AC, which is equal to x plus y, which is equal to y plus x. That is property proved. That is commutative law is proved by geometrical interpretation. So now the property 2 is for vectors x, y and z, vector x plus y plus vector z is equal to vector x plus vector y plus z, that is associative law. So let AB is equal to vector x and BC is equal to vector y and CD is equal to vector z be three sides, that is AB is vector x and BC we can say like that is vector y and CD that is vector z. So we join first of all AC. and we get in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is equal to AC, that is vector x plus y. So AC is vector x plus y. Now join AD. So in triangle ACD, by triangle law, AC plus CD is equal to AD. That is AC plus AC is x and CD is x plus y and CD is z. So AD is vector x plus y in one bracket, that is first vector, plus z vector, that is number 1. Now again consider the figure. This is AB with vector x and this is BC with vector y and this is CD with vector z. So first of all we take here, we will join B and D and A and D. So if we see, we get here in triangle BCD, BC plus CD vector gives BD vector by triangle law, that is y plus z gives the value of BD. So BD is vector y plus z. Now applying triangle law, we get AB plus BD is equal to AD, that is by triangle law. So we get AB as vector x and BD as vector y plus z. So this is again the value of AD, that is number 2. So from 1 and 2 we get vector x plus vector y in one bracket plus vector z is equal to x plus vector in another bracket, that is vector y plus z. That is associative law holds. So second property is proved by geometrically. So geometrically we can prove these two properties by using triangle law of vectors.